Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Gat Talks. Today, we are going to be talking about the GoPro alternative, which would be up to your judgment by the end of this video. And this would be the Akaso EK7000 4K Ultra HD Wi-Fi camera. So, I have been trying to get a camera without breaking a bank to get some live action footages for my YouTube channel. And I did not want to go for the $300 GoPro because it's just way too expensive. And if I can get any other camera with a comparable quality comparing to that, I will definitely take it. And so I have taken a chance with this camera, which I bought for $60 on Amazon. Okay, so we are going to go through some of the basic functions of this camera and what it comes with. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the package that it comes with. Alright, so pretty cool package for something under $60. And I have read through, some of the instructions and, picked out what I really need from the instructions and just got started from there. But basically, after you get your camera, all you really need to do is get you can get a mini tripod, which I don't even need anymore, which I used to do for, just indoor recording, but, I found out I don't really need that for indoor recording. You would probably be better off using this camera for outdoors, okay? Because indoor quality, you can use a mobile phone and still does a lot better job, which is what I'm doing right now. So you would really only want to use this camera for outdoors, okay? So after you get your camera, all I really needed was, I gotta charge the batteries, which comes into two batteries, okay? Like this. And then one's gonna go on your phone. And these batteries last for about an hour, honestly, so it's not too long. So if you do want to do some extended recording or, footages, you may want to bring both of these batteries, or you might want to bring a USB cord with a power bank to keep your camera charged so it does not give out on you. So like I said, these batteries last for about an hour each, and it comes with two of them. Okay, the other one's inside this camera right now. So this package comes in a few things. So it's going to come with a bunch of mounts and clips. You might need this, which, it's very obvious when you first receive your package. This is the waterproof case, so if you are looking to get underwater or, go outdoors in depth recording, you might want to take this with you. It's definitely crucial for me. Not really, because I am only going to record out of the car or, I'm not going to get into the water. Alright? You're going to have a remote control, which is, I don't really need it because I can just control the camera from my phone. And I do not need this anymore if I'm just going to do that. But for anyone else, if you don't want to control your camera through your phone, that's what you would need to remotely control your camera. You would also need, there's going to be a mount there, which I think I already have it stuck onto my car. But it's basically a mount that, it's the important mount, so you will want to clip your camera onto the mount, and that mount would be able to stick your camera either on a tripod, screw it on, or onto your car mount, which is what I'm using and what I'm primarily using this camera for. So let's get through some of the setup for this camera, okay? So just turn it on. This camera is, purely soft plastic, so, it doesn't feel like absolutely premium. But, for $60, and you can still do what you need to do, I cannot complain. Okay, so you're also gonna have to buy a standalone micro SD card. Okay, otherwise you're not gonna be able to start recording with just the camera. So remember, the micro SD card is gonna have to be bought separately, which costs about $20 for a 64 gig. And then once you get your camera, you can go through the menu, which, I don't really. I just go straight into record mode. I don't really take pictures with this camera. And if you want to connect your camera through, connect your phone to your camera through Wi-Fi, you will want to just press this down button right here for a quick setup. So once you connect your phone to your Wi-Fi, you can actually, take pictures through your phone remotely. That's basically the main function that I use this camera for, or record or start recording remotely through your phone after you have your camera set up, for example, on a tripod or on your car mount. Okay. The other features I have not really looked into, I know there's going to be, just the resolution and the FPS settings for this camera, but I have not really looked into it. But I think, for future references, or if you want to improve the quality of your recordings or images, that's something you would want to definitely look into. But for starters, after I received the camera, I really only bought a $10 tripod and a $10 car mount to actually use this camera to my purpose. Overall, for under $60, I feel like this camera has done what it needs to do. The images are pretty cool, and the footages that you can get from recording on this camera is actually pretty quality. So I do recommend this camera, and if you do proceed to purchase this camera, I have left the affiliate links in the video description below that leads you to Amazon or eBay. And if you guys do purchase with my links below, I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you very much for watching this short video. And if you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up, a share, or subscribe to my channel, and we will be sure to come back with you with more videos just like this. Thank you very much.